If you're ever confused about what the difference between a JPG image, more commonly referred to as a JPEG image, and a PNG image is, and why the difference even matters, then this video is perfect for you. Here's the short answer. PNGs have the ability to have transparent backgrounds while JPEGs don't. Having a transparent background just means that the image isn't constrained to having straight edges and a background color. This means that you can insert images into your presentation and have it conform to your presentation's background color, which will make it blend in and look more professional. You're probably more familiar with JPEG images because it's a widely used image file format. Most cameras and cell phones take pictures in the JPEG file format because it's able to compress the image's file size and still look pretty clean. The downside to JPEG files is that you can't have a JPEG image with a transparent background. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about using the free image editing software GIMP. You can download the XCF project files used in this video in the download section below. So I have two versions of this image of a purple cow. Under the cow, I have the text PNG in one file and JPG in the other. Looking at the layers, you can see they're built the same way with only the text being different. The checkered background you see on the canvas is like the universal way to show that something is transparent in an image editor. Photoshop also uses a similar checkered background to signify transparency. Let's go to the version that says JPG and go to File, Export. We'll call it Purple Cow White JPG.jpg. Choose JPEG from the drop-down menu and click Export. The quality and stuff doesn't matter, so we'll leave it as is and click Export. While we're at it, let's switch to the version that says PNG and export it as a PNG file. Let's save it as Purple Cow Transparent PNG.png and change the file format in the drop-down menu to PNG image. We'll leave the settings as is and click Export. So now we have these two images. Let's try importing these images into Powtoon to see the difference in action. So first we'll import the JPEG version. As you can see, there's the white background. Looking back to the GIMP file, we didn't add a background to the image at all. It just gives us a default white background because we saved it as a JPEG, which doesn't support transparency. Now let's import the PNG version. Right away you can see the difference in the image preview. When we import the file, there's no background at all. Looking back at the GIMP file, same thing, we didn't add a background color, but the file retained its transparent background in the PNG file format. It's important to note that you can't just take a JPEG file and save it as a PNG and expect it to suddenly have a transparent background. It has to be done as you create the actual graphic. In our purple cow example, I used an already transparent PNG version of the cow and added my own text in GIMP. There's software and tools available to help you remove image backgrounds in JPEG files, but many of them are time-consuming, expensive, or don't remove the background accurately enough. Using PNGs with transparent backgrounds can make your videos look more professional since the image is able to conform to the slide's background color and generally looks like it fits better. So if you're looking for images to use that support a transparent background, look for file types like PNG, PSD, SVG, EPS, and AI. These files can be opened in free software like GIMP and Inkscape for vector files, where you can edit the background color and transparency as you see fit. You can also use Google's advanced image search and specify that you only want to find PNG files, which will give you a higher chance of finding a transparent PNG version of the image that you're looking for. Well, that's it for this video. Just remember that if you're looking for images to use in your video, try to find the vector or transparent PNG version of it so you can put it in without worrying about background colors and whatnot. Or you can cheat like me and just add a funky border on your images and just not deal with it. But that's a tutorial for another day. Until next time, this is Luke signing off. Thanks for watching.